that was funny. Use another color. Looking at the cars, but I already got mine. I already got mine yesterday. Today we're just picking it up and doing like some last minute stuff, but and pay for it. But it is mine. This is my old car.
Girlfriend, one signature.
It's so cute.
You have to have it in black because it's cute in other colors.
This is nice. Wow. How do I turn it on?
Seem like they have darker colors. You sure you don't want an outside exterior, or you still set on the sunroof and
Look
stuff?
it. This is bigger.
Just the break in the.
But hers is a year newer, so this is larger. Yeah. Oh.
Steering wheel.
Where you really still want yours? I don't. The miles. My sister's getting a new car too because my other car that I had, I traded in for this one. So I had to like say my goodbyes, take all the stuff out so that I could give it to them. It's a 2022 Hyundai Kona.
That was probably just.
Okay, so we just got out of AutoZone. All I got in there was just some chargers, some white